Hi all, and welcome to your week 14 online module. This week we're diving deeper into what it means to integrate technology within writing and how that explicitly is understood through digital and technological literacies. So in order to engage in this module, we have some foundational readings which include both PDFs here. Well, there's also one web link. Kang, playing with digital tools with explicit scaffolding. So there's some theory to practical connection and understanding how to integrate technology, but then also explicitly focus it on the instructional objectives and what it means to meaningfully integrate it. And that is a reading teacher article. And then there's a Heighten article, 2011, Writing Relaunch, Teaching with Digital Tools. And that is either a web link or a PDF if you'd like to download it as such. And so moving forward with some of these readings in mind, you will also be perusing some infographics about digital literacy. So some overviews of what that means, as well as how that relates to instruction in the classroom. And then there's an article here about what are multiple literacies, which frames it in a little different light. They talk about digital and technological literacy within this umbrella of multiple literacies. And then I've included an interactive PDF for you to engage in and take some time to compare and contrast it with a traditional flat PDF and go through this link, or it's also within this folder, and kind of just notice how is it more interactive, what do you appreciate about it, what do you find it distracting, and what might be appealing about supporting students to create such a document. And the last part is for you to continue to gather student data for your case study assignment, not so much to work on lesson plan 2, I'll take that out. And within this folder is all of the required documents, again, the overview of the assignment, rubric, and then all of the spelling inventories, as well as some additional directions or support for conducting the spelling inventory if that's helpful to you. All right, and as closure for this week, there is no discussion board, okay? What you will be doing is creating an infographic as your reading response. And this infographic is really thinking about what is digital literacy and multiple literacies, and then as well as how does the digital and technological literacy relate to one of the readings that we've had thus far in our course. And one of the prompts that I want you to think about is whether you would like to relate it to culturally relevant teaching and expanding our definition of what culture is and how this digital age really involves students right now and their lived realities and how that might be considered culture. And then the third question is, how might digital literacies be transformative in our classroom? So rather than being supplemental, how can you integrate technological literacies in a transformative way? And how might you integrate them into your field placement currently? So all of the supports for creating an infographic are here. So the two tools that I'm most comfortable with are Canva and Piktochart, and those web links are here, as well as some how-to guides for how to navigate each one of these sites, and I think there's a video that comes along with them. All right, and that is your week 14. Please make sure to fill out your online engagement rubric and turn it into the week 14 online participation assignment. Other than that, please remember to bring your publishable piece to our publishing party in week 15. And be sure to answer your field journal questions within your field placement. And that is your week 14. Please let me know if you have any questions and reach out if you have any questions, especially about the case study assignment. All right, have a wonderful week.